Yeah, new video, same clothes, same location, but different angle. Shocking, I can do 2 videos in one day. Anyway, we're gonna do one more stove. This is the trusty Trangia. I haven't boiled anything in this in a while, so yeah, we're gonna do my updated boiling test in this Trangia. See how it, you know, maybe compares to the past couple videos I've done on stoves. Go check those out. Anyway, we're gonna rock a Trangia. All right, you know how this goes. We got our 20 ounces of water. We got our Trangia that weighed in at 86 grams, if I didn't mention it already. Knocking out 2 ounces of yellow heat. There we go. Come on, get that lid back on there. It's cross-threaded. All right, here we go. Always use the wrong side this at first. Boom, that was quick. All right, timer started. As you see, let's see how long it takes to bloom up. All right, you can see it is already primed and bloomed, and it took like 25 seconds. So that's good, rocking and rolling. That was fast. Hard to beat the Trangia. All right. And let's make sure to put the lid on this time. All right, see y'all soon. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but as soon as I started this video, an airplane flies over the house. That's just how it goes on YouTube, huh? Let's just say we're at 10 minutes. And I don't know if you could hear that, but it sounds like it's going. Yep, we've got some boiling going on there. I mean, it's not a super hard boil, but it's boiling, so we'll go ahead and count it. So that's 30 seconds to bloom, 9.5 minutes to boil. But don't forget, this is 20 ounces of water, so it's 2.5 cups to boil. So you might think, oh man, 9.5 minutes, that's a long time to boil. Well, it's also more than a cup, and most YouTube tests, I guess you call YouTube tests, do 1 cup. So this is more than that. So we'll see how long this burns for. Dang it, I did it again. I just missed it. I watched it go out from a distance. 18 minutes, 15 seconds. All right, so when it comes to boiling water, the Trangia, it's hard to beat. It is at 86 grams, so that is just the body and the lid. Doesn't include any accessories like the stand. Yeah, it doesn't include any accessories like the stand or the simmering. It's just these 2 components. That's how I've been doing all my comparisons, is just the lid and the body. Anyway, yeah, so blooms super fast, boils really quick. And as it does that, it also burns through the fuel really quick. But I mean, when time matters, you know. So between this one and the last video, the Lebowitz, I don't know. It's gonna be a hard toss up. I mean, this is definitely gonna be more durable. This is super lighter, and the fuel does go a little bit longer, but it doesn't boil the water as quick. So I don't know which way to go. The wanting to lighten up the pack side of me wants to go with the Lebowitz, but again, not as durable. But the tried and true durability, long-term durability of the Trangias. I mean, some people's have been going for 30 years, or I don't know, 20 plus years probably. I don't know how long these have been out. Quite a while, I believe. So they've been holding up. So I don't know which way I'll go. Kind of leaning back towards the Trangia. We'll see. Anyway, that's another test. Enough rambling. Thanks for watching. Do a science. You guys, I enjoy life. All that stuff. See you later.
Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.